Monica Cementelli is furiously scribbling away like a timer's about to go off on a written test. Those notes she's passing to her attorney. Let's bring in our national trial attorney, Michael Jaafar, see what he thinks about the frenziness from the defense table, but also how is Luigi Cementelli doing on the stand? He's the stepson, and it is seeming more clear now that he's testifying longer that there's no love lost now between him and his stepmother.
Absolutely. You know what? I'm going to touch on both of those points. So in terms of her body room demeanor, her courtroom demeanor, I actually like it. I actually always like involved clients. What I don't like is the clients that are stoic and sitting back, and when some really inflammatory testimonies come in from a family member or a victim, they're just sitting down stoically because they're in a small room with a jury. So I do like her courtroom demeanor. I don't like anything else about this woman or this case. Luigi Cementelli is doing exactly what the state wants, which is he's helping the state get the jury to hate this woman. At the end of the day, these cases all come down to, very, very simple themes, which is the state, they want you to hate the defendant. The state really hates this woman. They truly believe she did this, and they are you can see all of the pretrial motions and how angry they would get, and with Baker saying that she had nothing to do with it, and they were telling the judge, she's sending him illicit pictures and text messages from jail, she's manipulating him. They really hate this woman, so because they hate this woman, they want the jury to hate this woman. I think Luigi Cementelli is helping them get to that point. Here's a kid, right, who didn't care about his dad's life insurance policy. He wasn't trying to enrich himself, wasn't having an affair. He wasn't doing anything nefarious or devious. He's on the stand. He looks like the kid next door. He looks like he would be your son. He would be the most hapless, lovable, adorable kid you would have with his demeanor, and he didn't care. He had this famous father with a lot of money, so he's really delivering some things for the state. And Monica Cementelli's not really doing herself any favor. This case is really going the way I think the state wants it to go. It's yet to be seen what happens with the other witnesses. This case is going to be a long way. We got a long way to go, but so far it's going good for the state, and Luigi Cementelli is helping.
And that video we were just showing of her crying and the tears and the smiles, that was at the beginning of Luigi's testimony. I don't know how she thought his testimony was going to go, but it seemed like she was having a Natalie Cochran moment with the connection with the witness on the stand. But we'll see how it goes. Michael Jaafar, thank you for that analysis. Let's get to a break so we can get you back in on the other side to more of California versus Monica Cementelli.